Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got a nifty little tool to explore, the Versatility Stylus pen. If you're a creative soul, an iPad user, or simply someone looking for a versatile digital pen, this might just be your new favorite accessory. Before we dive in, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Versatility Stylus pen and taking a closer look at what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the Versatility Stylus pen itself, a charging cable, a user instruction manual, and an extra set of replaceable pen tips. It's great to see that Versatility has included these replaceable tips, ensuring that your stylus will last a long time. Now, let's delve into the details that make this stylus pen an attractive choice for iPad users. The Hot Life Stylus pen is compatible with a wide range of iPad models, including the latest ones like the iPad 10th Gen, iPad 9th Gen, iPad Mini 6th Gen, iPad Air 4th, 5th Gen, and various iPad Pro models. It's important to note that it's not compatible with iPad Pro 12.9 inches 1st, 2nd Gen or any other models, iPhones, Android, or Microsoft devices. This stylus pen offers impressive precision with its 1.5mm pen nib, making it perfect for various tasks like writing, drawing, coloring, and more. It's incredibly sensitive, ensuring that your strokes appear smoothly on the screen without any lag, skips, or scratches. Plus, it won't leave any marks on your screen, ensuring it stays pristine. The stylus is equipped with a 140 mAh built-in battery, which is impressively efficient. It charges fully in just 1 hour and provides a solid 10 to 12 hours of usage. No need to fret about your battery running out unexpectedly. The stylus features 3 indicator lights to show you its battery status, giving you peace of mind. For all you artists and note-takers, the stylus pen features palm rejection technology. This means you can comfortably rest your hand on the iPad screen while you write or draw, just like using a regular pencil on paper. It also comes with a pencil holder, keeping your stylus securely in place for easy access. One of the standout features of this stylus is its simplicity. There's no need for Bluetooth or apps. Just press the button on the stylus to activate it and start using it immediately. It's user-friendly for all ages and only weighs 13.2 grams, making it perfect for little ones as well. Let's explore some common scenarios where the Versatility Stylus pen shines. If you're a student or parent with kids learning from home, this stylus is an excellent tool for taking notes, making annotations, or sketching out ideas. For digital artists or designers, this stylus offers the precision you need to create beautiful artwork on your iPad. Even for everyday tasks like browsing, writing emails, or marking up documents, this stylus can be a valuable companion. To wrap it up, the Versatility Stylus pen is a versatile and affordable alternative to the Apple Pencil. With its precise nib, palm rejection, and ease of use, it's a great tool for a variety of tasks. Whether you're a student, artist, or just someone who enjoys using their iPad, this stylus is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the Versatility Stylus pen, or do you have any questions about it? And remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech-savvy reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay creative and stay tech-savvy.